Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about OOPS concept. Let's start. Our first concept is object. What is meant by object? Object is an instance of a class, or we can also say that an entity that has state and behavior is known as a object. Generally, object is communicate without knowing the details. For example, pen, table, bike, car are the some examples of the object. Suppose in pen contain name. Suppose Renault is the name of the pen, and state of the pen is color, and behavior is writing. Next is how to create object by using this class name. After that, object name equals to new class name. By using this, we can create the object. Next concept is class. Class is a blueprint of a object. A class is a collection of a data members and members function. This is the syntax of a class. By using this, we can create a class. Here, access specifier means it is the level of a access, and it contains public, private, protected, and global. Private means first one is public. Public means public members can be accessible within class and outside class also. After that, private means private members can be accessible within class only. Next one is protected. Protected members can be accessible within class and its child classes. And last one is global. Global members can be accessible within class, also within organization, and also outside of a organization. We can access the global members. Next is inheritance. Inheritance means object of a one class acquire property of the another class. Using inheritance, we can reuse the methods. These are the five types of the inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Single inheritance means class inherits another class. Next one is multi-level. Multi-level means it is the chain of a inheritance. After that, next is hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance means when two or more classes inherits a single class. After that, next is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means one class inherits two class. And last one is hybrid inheritance. Next concept is polymorphism. In that, poly means many and morphs means forms. Or we can simply say that polymorphism means one task is performed in different way. There are two types of polymorphism. First one is overloading, or we can say that compile time, and second one is overriding, or overriding is also known as runtime. Overloading means two or more methods have same name but different parameters. Overriding means subclass has same methods as parent class. Next concept is abstraction. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation detail and show only functionality. Example of abstraction is mobile. Next concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the process of wrapping or binding the code and data into a single unit. These are the some concept of the OOPS. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.